Welcome to Nidhu's Learning Land. Let's play, learn, fun and explore together. Meg and the Hen, short CVC story. Meg has a hen. The hen sits on a bed. Meg gets a pen. The hen runs to Meg. Meg and the hen have fun. CVC words in Meg and the Hen. Short E sounds. Meg, hen, bed, pen, red. Rainbow is a fun. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more fun learning video. Bye bye.